Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the actual service cost and breakup of my JAWA. I've done the second service today itself, and here are the details. As you can see, this is my name and details, and this is the showroom details. It's a free service, 25th of June 2020. That's my bike's details. That's the registration number, chassis number, engine number here that starts with N. There's a job card number that starts with RJ, and kilometer reading is 2448, and this is the breakup that I was talking about. And here's the part number, description. This is the engine oil perhaps, and the quantity 1.5 liters. This is the total price, and this is what I have paid. And secondly, we have oil filter assembly. It's costing around 101 rupees, and the total cost is 119. AL sealing is costing only 2 rupees. Perhaps they are taking only the service charges. And this one is the O-ring dipstick, and this is costing around 39 rupees. This is a chain oil, I guess, chain clean chain oil, that's costing around 1000 rupees, but they have charged 171. Perhaps they have excluded these two components, the S-Tech 100 Motul chain lube and the component number 5 and 6. So these two components have been excluded from the bill, and I paid this much respectively. And the coolant I have paid, it's costing around 171. I have paid 84. So they have excluded something from this component number 7. I'm not able to understand properly. So it's costing around 1816 rupees total, including GST is coming around 2041 rupees. This is the date and REF number. So this is all about the service cost and breakup of what all components you need while you are getting a free service from the showroom, and I am leaving that decision up to you. You decide whether paying this much of amount is justified or not. I'm happy with the quality of service that they have done from the bike. You can see my bike in my other videos, and let me know what do you think about the total cost of service as well as the total cost of the free service that you get here. So is it okay to pay so much of amount, or is it too expensive for a bike that's costing around 2 lakhs on road? So this is what I have paid, including the GST of 18%. I got the delivery of the bike today itself after the servicing, and I am happy and very satisfied with the service. Although my running is very less, I have done only 2400 kilometers, but I paid 2000 rupees for the service charges. That's a free service again. You see here, it's in free service. So please do comment on the video and let me know what do you think about the service cost of the bike, and let me know if it is okay to pay this much of amount. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.